Venga. Jogou amor. Eu não amor. This is Frankie. This is Frankie. Frankie, 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 Frankie. In this town we call home. Everybody likes the Frankenstein. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Hello guys, welcome for the second video of Halloween, and today we're gonna pass through the Halloween decoration, but handmade decoration. Let's start. Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. My name is Raquel Ezagui. If you don't know me, be welcome here on my channel. And this video is the second video of Halloween special. This video is about decoration. You can make a really spooky nice decoration in your home with really low cost. I will share how I did this really nice spooky pumpkin. You can do that in other shapes like a ghost, a zombie, like this one I have here. This one I didn't make, it's already I buy that like this and it's a ghost, but it's the same idea than the pumpkin. Yeah, you can do in other shapes, so you choose what you wanna. Excited thing for me in this pumpkin handcraft because I can put candle and light up and make so much more that embrace of Halloween energy. But first, if you didn't saw the first video, I really recommend you go back there and watch that. I have here in my channel a lot tips of Halloween decorations like snacks, drinks, even house decorations. I will put here the images, but you can go there and check all the links here down below in the description box. Before we start, I will give other tips really easy you can do with your kids. For example, these little Xbox bats. It's really simple. I did that years ago. You can see it's just egg paper, egg box, and glue some eyes. And I just put some stripe to glue on like this. And it's really simple for do with kids and having fun with your little ones. Yeah, that is one of the tips I give to you guys. And the other tip I give, it's with paper, some paper bats. It's really simple too. You can just cut out some bats, you see, and you can hang it out on your house. Let's get back for our pumpkin. And if you are interested to shop this one, I will put the link of my shop here, like in the Etsy platform. Okay, you can go there and check all the links I'm saying here in this video, and you can purchase that in my shop, okay? But I just have one unit. It's just this one that I made for the video. I don't have stock. So if you want that, you need to go there running and get this one, okay? So after say all this, let's start our tutorial. Wow guys, so I will start using the aluminum paper. Okay, and I will make the form, the shape of the thing I want. In that case, I'm gonna do a pumpkin. I did like this, and now I'm gonna put the paste around. I'm using this one. So let's start. This type of texture just to look more like a vegetable with the imperfections. Now I'm done with the sculpting, so now what I'm gonna do is putting to dry in the oven. So not too hot oven, okay, just medium low, and it must to be drying really slowly, okay. guys, that was the video. I hope you really had enjoyed that. I really loved it to do all these things, and I hope you really like the pumpkin idea. But how I said, you can make in other shapes. Doesn't need to be exactly a pumpkin, but you can use your creativity, and I really hope you enjoy. So if you are interested to get this one for you, so go there in my Etsy shop and shop that before it's gone, okay? So don't forget to check my shop. And if you make any of these cute ideas of Halloween that I share here with you guys, doesn't matter if it's handcraft things for home or the snack ideas I posted in the last video, please post a picture in the Instagram and mark me. I will put here my link, okay, my Instagram ID, so you can go there and mark me in the Instagram, because I really would love to see the handicrafts for Halloween you made. I hope you really had enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out the others videos of others Halloween tips I posted here, okay, and I see you in the next video. Have a spook Halloween. Bye bye.